Namaste everyone, welcome back to our Vayu series where we explore the subtle energies that govern our body and mind. In case you are new to this channel, I request you to watch the previous videos. The link to them is in the caption below. And you can also subscribe to this channel if you wish to learn about yoga and wellness. In this video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of Samana Vayu, the vital force which balances and harmonizes our inner fire. Samana Vayu is the third prana Vayu that flows between the navel and the diaphragm. Imagine it as the energy that fuels digestion and assimilation, powering our vital organs like the stomach, liver, pancreas, and the intestines. According to the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, this Samana Vayu is essential for absorbing nutrients and prana from food and water. But what happens when this energy is disturbed? It can lead to indigestion and stomach disorders. And from a yogic perspective, Samana Vayu is the most important Vayu because it is linked to the Sushumna Nadi, which activates our Manipura Chakra. So to balance this Samana Vayu, Kapalbhati Pranayama is extremely effective. Let's break it down. Kapalbhati is a cleansing technique. Kapal means the cranium and Bhati means light or perception. In English, it is translated as a frontal brain cleansing technique. In normal breathing, we see that inhalation is more active and exhalation is passive. But in this technique, we are reversing this process. We are going to make the exhalation active and inhalation will happen as a result of forced exhalation. The air is pushed out like this, and when the nostrils are opened, air is sucked in as a result of the vacuum effect which is created. You will see that this practice invigorates the brain, it awakens the dormant areas in the brain and also expels the toxins. So let's dive into this technique. For this, you have to sit in Siddha Asana, or if this is not comfortable, you can also sit in Sukha Asana by simply crossing your legs. Spine has to be straight, fingers have to be in Gyan Mudra, resting firmly on the thighs. And now you have to inhale deeply, and as you inhale, your stomach should expand and then perform at least 50 counts of forced exhalations through both the nostrils. Now, after the last exhale, make sure you inhale deeply and then exhale through the mouth, slightly pursing the lips like this. And then you repeat the same 50 counts, and this should be done at least for 3 rounds. So let us begin our practice of Kapalbhati Pranayama. Let us begin the guided practice of Kapalbhati. Inhale. Push your tummy out. Let us begin. Purse your lips and exhale. You can now practice the other 2 rounds of 50 forced exhalations yourself. Remember, as you advance in the practice, you can increase the rounds to 5. Make sure that you don't experience any sort of dizziness while practicing. And if you do, that means you're exhaling very forcefully. If that's the case, stop the practice, sit quietly, focus on your breathing and start again, this time with less force. Let us understand the benefits of Kapalbhati. With each exhalation, toxins are expelled. As you exhale, there's a decompression effect on the brain, and as a result of it, the brain gets massaged and the thoughts clarity arises. This practice not only strengthens the lungs but also improves the brain function by activating our cerebrospinal fluid. It also expels more carbon dioxide from our lungs than the normal breathing. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more insights about the ancient wisdom of yoga. Hari Om.